I'm at Indiana Colony Market on Colorado Boulevard, Pasadena, California. Indiana Colony Market, located at 59 East Colorado Boulevard, is one from the old building renovations. Indiana Colony Market is a community marketplace and small food court with air conditioner in Old Town Pasadena. Currently, Indiana Colony Market has 4 vendors: the Pie Hole for pies and coffee, Wanderlust Creamery for ice cream, Juicery for juice, and Bearology for drinks. The Pie Hole is a chain bakery since 2011, known for delicious pie and pastry. You must buy Pie Hole bundle of 4 for only $2 each mini pie. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Please press bell button so you get notified when we release the new video.